Hi there, Frank George here, and welcome to my bedroom to showcase this Careld Smart Anti-Snoring Pillow. It's designed to enhance your sleep with advanced non-invasive technology, providing intelligent night sleep health management. This is the first sleep apnea intelligent interventional pillow on the market. You know, with better sleep, you'll improve your overall health. And with this Careld Smart Pillow, it'll help limit snoring, which your partner will appreciate as well. I know mine does. This pillow is so luxurious feeling, and it looks great as well. Wouldn't you agree? The Careld Pillow's ergonomic support is outstanding for your neck and spine alignment too. And you'll remain cool at night, as this pillowcase has moisture wicking properties. So you'll have a fresher and cleaner day-to-day experience in between washes. Now, when I got the pillow, it was vacuum sealed and packed very well too. The app. Wow, it feels really great. Feels really nice. It's contoured. This pillow provides me with great comfort and outstanding support due to the high-quality memory foam inside. This smart pillow has adjustable height options too to provide you with the best supportive and comfortable experience ever. Just plug it in, lay down on it, and get comfortable. This pillow will monitor sleep patterns without wearables, and you can control the smart pillow by the app for non-contact sleep monitoring, so you can sleep more peacefully. The app also has a user manual on it. This smart pillow automatically adjusts by the AI-powered app that helps reduce snoring and improve overall breathing in real-time monitoring. For example, when you're sleeping and if you start to snore, the smart pillow will automatically raise your head up and improve your breathing to limit your snoring. Whether you're a back sleeper like me or a side sleeper, you'll be super comfortable. And if you go to the app, you'll also have an option for heat, and it provides you detailed sleep reports, and it adjusts to you personally based on your sleep patterns. So for more information and ordering yours on Amazon, visit careldsleep.com today and start sleeping more restful tomorrow. And they make a great gift idea too.